RD2 5000W. Electric Scooter Review. Best High Power. Electric scooter for speed and range? If you want an electric scooter with serious power, the RD2 5000W is definitely worth a closer look. But are the impressive speed and range claims realistic? And is this scooter actually a good buy? The RD2 is a dual-motor off-road electric scooter. Built around a 60 volts, 25 amp hours battery, it features 10.5-inch pneumatic tires, front and rear suspension, hydraulic disc brakes, a folding design, and app-based controls. The advertised figures are up to 50 miles per hour and up to 55 miles of range, although real-world performance can vary significantly depending on rider weight, terrain, speed, and riding mode. One of the biggest strengths is power. The dual-motor setup provides strong acceleration and useful torque for hills and rougher surfaces. The suspension and larger tires also make the RD2 more suitable for uneven roads than a typical commuter scooter. Hydraulic braking is another important advantage, especially on a scooter capable of this kind of speed. The smart features are useful too, with app control and different riding settings, giving you more control over how the scooter behaves. But there are some important compromises. This is a large, heavy machine. And while the 50 mile per hour and 55 mile range figures sound impressive, independent reports and owner feedback suggest actual results can be considerably lower depending on conditions. There are also mixed reports from owners regarding reliability and customer support, so buyers should consider the seller, warranty, and after-sales service carefully. Overall, the RD2 makes the most sense for experienced riders who want strong acceleration, off-road capability, and a large battery without moving into much more expensive premium scooters. Beginners should be cautious because this is a very powerful machine. So, is it worth buying? If your priority is maximum performance and value, the RD2 is an interesting option. But don't buy it based on the headline numbers alone. Consider real-world range, weight, reliability, local laws, and safety before making your decision. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you think about the RD2.